Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video, finally, I am showing you guys my backyard tour and kind of taking you along through my backyard because if you guys don't know, me and my boyfriend moved into a new build 3 months ago and we've just been renovating the whole backyard because it came with just dirt. So we had to do it all of ourselves and I'm super excited to show you guys so you guys can get some like inspo and all that stuff and kind of see it because I kind of want to do a series of like a house tour and kind of just like go room to room and like the whole house eventually when we're like completely done doing what we want to do. So let's just jump right into the tour. Okay, so when you walk walk outside from the back door, we got a little map there, but this is what the overview is. This is what you see coming out of the door. So I guess we'll start off with this big area. We decided to grass most of our backyard, that way the dogs can run around and play, you know, all the usual. We have our grill here, but we did extend our patio with pavers, as you guys can see. So it goes all the way from that end over and then all the way down there to our dog run and all that stuff, which I'll show you guys after. So then we decided to also kind of put brick as borders and fill the little border with some flowers and different fruit like this right here. It's like, I guess, vegetables too. That one is corn, and then we have that one's a spaghetti squash, and there's a cantaloupe in here as well, which I'll go over all of that when we get to like the garden section. But we kind of just bordered the whole patio basically to kind of give like life and color. Bindy's ball is in there too. But that is what we did. So we basically bordered all around our little patio. Again, give it life, color, all that stuff. And then it kind of just like looks really good next to the grass. So I'm gonna start off with like the boring side and finish off with the most exciting side. So if you walk this way to the left, we have a lot of like tropical trees, but here's our dog run because we do back up to a wash. So there are coyotes, that way our doggies are safe. Right here we have our lemon tree, which is already starting to have buds like all over the place, which is so cool. And then down here, which is like the gross area, here is our cherry tree. And so we like made tree wells all around, bricked it so that way it looked really nice. And then all along here again we put all rocks and we covered it all, we bordered it all in different vegetable plants and just like different flower plants. So we have some vines here, just like all different stuff really. Another vine, some flowers. We do have a tree here and in both corners, as you can tell. This is our magnolia tree, and we filled the tree balls with flowers just to make it a little bit more pretty to look at. And we do have some watermelon. There's I think that's a cantaloupe right there, and then here is a watermelon that we're currently trying to grow. And then here's our magnolia tree. There's like a big spider web, so that's kind of gross. Don't know if you guys can see it, but these sprout really beautiful flowers. Some other flowers, more vines on like trellises. Our lavender plant that's literally growing out of control, but it's beautiful. It's just so pretty. More vines. Over here is our dragon fruit plant. It's very interesting looking. It's basically just like a cactus, but it will start to produce dragon fruit. I'm not sure when, but eventually. And then these two trellises here and right there are passion fruit. I haven't seen any like flowers sprouting yet, so I'm not sure when those will produce. Hopefully this summer. And the best part about this area is our artichoke plant. This is an artichoke plant, and as you can see, I'm blocking. Hold on, let me come on this side because I'm blocking it. Don't know if you can see inside here, but there's the artichoke. So cool. So that's kind of like the perimeter of the grass area. So then if you come out the door and you go to the right, here's some very exciting part of the house, I'd say. So starting over here in this corner, we have a kumquat tree, which has so many on them. It's so cool. And then we have our little Hong Kong, well, it's not little, our Hong Kong orchard that produces the prettiest flowers, and they smell amazing. Again, we did like the whole flowers in the tree well. There's a spaghetti squash in the back right there, but we just kind of did all different flowers. I think that's a spaghetti squash too. And then we, you know, bricked it. Over here is our lime tree, which literally has so many buds as well. It's crazy, like all up it, buds galore. So we should have a lot of limes. And then this is my favorite part. And it is our garden, which we've already harvested some stuff, which was really cool, like lettuce. And I think I have a clip of a video I can pop in here, but we kind of did the whole brick thing. We did rows, so it's like a true garden, and I'm very excited. We have corn, some onion, which is actually growing an onion. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. We have some tomatoes over here that we've been picking because they turn red, but these right now are not ready yet. Tomatoes right there. There's actually a bell pepper growing back there. So cool. We got eggplant, corn, more corn, and then all in these rows we got honeydew, cantaloupe, and spaghetti squash, and some watermelon as well. Lots of peppers down there. So that is just kind of like an overview of the garden, which is super exciting. I love to garden. And then we have our desert gold peach tree, which again has so many peaches on it. Literally, it's insane. We got it we got it in the winter time, and it had like no leaves because it drops its leaves, and then all of a sudden it started to flower, and now we have thousands of peaches, and this weird bug is on my peach. Where is he? You see that? He better not be eating my peaches. Squash, and then we put like nice flowers. They're kind of dying though because it's a little bit cold still, but hopefully they'll perk back up. And then here's our orange tree that also has, oh my gosh, a ton of buds. I didn't even realize that. I don't know if you guys can see all those buds, but those are gonna be all oranges, which is so cool. So that's our orange tree, and then we have a guava tree, which I don't know how this bag got into our tree wells. And that's our guava tree. So that's our whole backyard. That is our whole yard. Garden, my favorite. And then up here on the patio, we just, oh, that's strawberries. I don't know if I told you guys. But look, it's so cute. It has little strawberries inside. Yeah, so we just have like this nice wood table that we're gonna resand and surface, kind of make it more like glossy looking. We got our grill, and look, this is a raspberry plant. So it's gonna produce raspberries. Very exciting. And a little backyard tour, I guess you can say. And yeah, I'm just super excited about it. It's beautiful. It took a long time to do. Alex and his friends did it, and I think they did such a great job. Sorry, the lighting is so weird. But yeah, I just figured I would come on and show you guys a backyard tour because I love looking at people's backyards to get like inspiration on different stuff. I think we're gonna do like a fire pit somewhere, but in Arizona it gets too hot, so I think that we'll wait on that until next winter. But I don't think there's anything else to do in this yard. I kind of want to get a day bed and put it on the grass. That way I can like I can tan and stuff. You know, I mean, I can tan on the grass. I don't mind. But I feel like a daybed would look really luxe. So, yeah. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you want to see more house videos, let me know down below. Subscribe, follow my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!